Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draft and edit resumes with Notion AI. So here is the step-by-step guide to drafting and editing resumes. So first of all, you will just tap on it bottom a template button, and when you just tap on it and in the search bar you will just write resume. So it will find it resume templates right over here. If I just tap on it, this free version of template, and I will just tap on it add. So when you just tap on it add, it will automatically in your drafts, which is left side. So if I just tap on it, which is new page right over here, and you want to edit your draft, so in the left side you will just tap on it resume button, and right now here you will see the draft option. So if I just want to edit it, so I will just change the name. I am Jordan. So in this way, you can just change and edit your personal information, summaries, work experience, education, skills, projects. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.